Hey, what's going on everyone? It's Daniel Cho. Today I'm going to show you this secret. I'm going to show you how you can grow your YouTube channel from scratch super fast without making your own videos. And also using this method, you also can monetize your YouTube channel and make that real passive income by uploading other people's video. Okay, now this is my YouTube channel. In the last 28 days, I made over $1,400, okay, by using this method. So if you stay consistent and if you apply this method, your YouTube channel, even if you are just starting out, your YouTube channel will gonna be your passive income generating machine. Okay, now let's dive right in. The technique I'm gonna show you is by uploading other people's audiobook without getting the copyright strike. And I'm gonna use this James Allen as a Man Thinkist audiobook. The first thing we need to do is to download this audiobook. The way you download it is just simply go to this video and you put in pp, youtubepp.com, and hit enter. Then all we need is this audio file. So click on audio, then download it. Okay. While you are downloading your video, your audiobook, create a folder with the name of this audiobook so you can organize your files better. Okay. So I already have that audio file downloaded in here. We also need to grab a book image and some kind of background image. Okay. So you can simply, for the book image, you just simply go to Google and search for that book and save that image into your folder. And we also need to create some kind of background image to make our video footage looks better. So the way to do it is just go to canva.com. It's the free software. You're gonna create a design. Okay, you're gonna create a design. Make sure it's the custom size. And just do 1920 times 1080p because this would be the perfect size for HD video. So I like money image, so you just go to Google and type in money. You can use any of this image. Okay, just spend some time, find an image you like and download it, and once you download that image, you're gonna just drag and drop that image into your Canva account. Then put this image right here and set image as background. The next step, we give it a square element here. Make sure it covers the entire Canva. And black, tone down the transparency to, I would say, around 85 or 80. Let's do 85. Now download this image. This will be your background image. Okay, once you download it, again save it in the same folder. So you have 3 files: audiobook, books image, and the background image. Now let's get ready to work. Okay, next step, you need to have some kind of video editing software. I'm using Power Director, but you can use any video editing software you like. Here is the free software that you can use. It's called openshot.org. So just go to this website and download this free software if you don't have a video editing software. So once you have your video editing software ready, now let me open up my Power Director and let me show you the process to make your own audiobook. Okay, because if you simply uploading this audiobook to your YouTube channel, you're gonna get copyright strike. So we need to remake this audiobook, make it as our own original content. And the way to do it, I'm gonna walk you through the process. The way to do it, okay, you first upload this audio track This is the audiobook we just downloaded, and upload that book image, also upload that background image. Okay. Now, once you have the audio file in place, the next step is to put the background image for your audiobook. Okay. Make sure you extend this duration to cover the entire audiobook length. Okay, we have that in place. Now, next step is adding your book image. See. Adding book's image. Again, make sure the duration of this image also cover your entire audiobook's duration. It'll be like this. Now, the next step is critical, okay? Because we're gonna make this audiobook as our original content. Let me put this in the center. Okay. Right now it's in the center. Okay, looks good. Let me see. Yeah, it looks good. Now, next step is that we have to add in another audio track, which is your original, your own audio track. So later on, when we produce this final video, the YouTube will know that this is our original content. So the way to do it, I'm just simply go to one of my tutorial. Okay, it can be any audio track that you have. Okay, preferably it's gonna be your own voice. So I'm gonna be going to one of my tutorial. Okay, I'm gonna use this one. Drag and drop, put it in your video editing software. Then I'm gonna add it to another track. I don't need this footage, so I'm gonna delete it. So I'm gonna lock the audio track and hit delete the footage. Now, make sure you tune down the volume to minus infinity, or maybe like 1% or something, okay? So when people hear this audio book, they cannot hear your voice. By YouTube algorithm, they can detect your audiobook is completely different than other audiobook on the YouTube channel and on the YouTube platform. So I'm just simply copy and paste to cover the entire duration of this audiobook. Okay. Anything is over this audiobook length, I'm gonna take it all out. Okay, delete, and let me see. Okay, it's good. Now it's done. Okay, next step is just simply produce the final video. Then you're gonna hit start, and it's gonna render this video. Okay, once it is finished rendering, you can upload this audio book as your own original content to your YouTube channel. And using this technique, you're gonna start making, first you're gonna grow your YouTube channel to make it eligible to be monetized. Okay, you need to have 1,000 subscribers and also 4,000 watch hours on your YouTube channel if you're starting from zero. Okay, if you are starting from scratch. Once you meet that requirement, then you can apply to have your YouTube channel to be monetized. Then you just keep uploading audiobooks. You can upload like 10, 20, 30, okay? And you can start making that passive income from your YouTube channel. So try this out, give it a try. I'll see you in my next videos. Take care.